Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Claude not responding app error in 2026. If Claude opens but doesn't reply to messages, freezes or stays stuck thinking, this can seriously slow you down. The good news, this issue is usually an easy fix, so let's go through it. Now before we start, the Claude AI app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, just by heading to the store and searching for Claude by Anthropic. Now let's go back to our topic and we're gonna open the app. Now the first step to do is to refresh and restart the app. Refresh the page on desktop or restart the app on mobile just like this. You're gonna go and close the app and then relaunch it again. After that, you can simplify your prompts. Very long or complex prompts, break the request into smaller parts and make sure to send one task at a time because complex prompts may stall responses. You can also check the Claude server status. Sometimes Claude is overloaded, so wait a few minutes, then try again later. Now peak usage time can cause delays, so you can also try to clear the cache. You can go do that by going to the app section here in your device, and there you can look for the Claude app like this, and you're gonna access the storage section, and then we're gonna go to the storage section that is like this, and here you're gonna click on clear cache. So make sure to clear the cache and the app's data. You can also do that, or you can also clear the cache or switch browsers. You can also switch browsers by switching to Chrome or to Safari or to Edge, depending on which one working best. You can also, if that doesn't work, you can try to log out and log back in inside the app, just like this. This refreshes your session and clears stuck conversation. Now when Claude stops responding, it's usually due to overload prompts. So make sure it's usually due to overload prompts, like I said, prompts complexity or session issues. Now, once fixed, Claude returns to normal speed and reliability. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.